Okay, here's my modifications to my CBR 600 so far. I put a headlight switch on it, so it's an old coffee maker switch. So you can turn the headlights off. That kind of ends that single light thing. And then these stay on. There'll be an update on these signal lights soon. I bought the KTM ones, but one was a little messed up. So then if you notice, there's no horn here on CBR F4i's, 600 F4i's. Now my horn is right here. I relocated it so when you do a wheelie, you don't smash it into the radiator. Then I took these panels off and I cut them so that now it's like that. I think this looks better. I put a K&N filter in the air box. That I think looks a lot better like this. So then, continuing with my signal lights, I got the signal lights off a KTM, I think it's a Duke 390, and they fit right on perfectly. Give you a bit more of an idea what it looks like back here. They really make it look nice. I might put a pipe on it sooner or later, but they just fit on perfectly. Very little modification. And continuing a little bit further on my modifications, I took this and just cut this off. That thing was like a billboard back there for some dumb reason. Just the stupidest looking thing. Very European styling, but very antiquated signal lights.